Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Battlefield 2042 stock on loading screen easy and quick. If you want to fix it, click here, go to Windows Update Settings, and then check for updates and make sure to install all the updates that you can find, and then click here and now type background apps. Turn off this option, then go to GeForce Experience, go to drivers, check for updates. Now if you find any update here, install it, download it and then install it, and then go to settings, scroll down until you find image scaling and enable it, and then go to task manager, go to, and now just close all the applications that you don't need when playing, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.